like family gatherings, like birthdays, like I don't want to mention funerals, but I mean just that ritual of having the deceased family being um, that period of time where you mourn and keep the deceased family, you give them the support and stuff. I mean, okay, let's talk about mostly about weddings. Weddings in Kenya. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, weddings in Kenya. Okay, there was this harusis. Like when you have a wedding in Kenya, you know, even when the neighbors had a wedding, this was a big deal. Like this wedding, you don't go there with cards. You just go there, like your mom takes her with you, takes all the kids, and you all go to the wedding, and you spend the whole day eating pilau. For those who know, the pilau was a must in the wedding, a must. And then jahez, keki. Oh, don't forget about keki and soda za bibi harusi. Nani ajui story? Okay. Oh my god, this was another thing that is just crazy. And the whole process and the whole organizing of the wedding, the kusmamilia harusi, this was just fun, you know. There was that time when maybe you had to be one of the flower girls, the page boys, the bride, whatever. And this is another case. This is another point where you just enjoy the occasions in Kenya. It was fun. It's fun where you make your hairs, you know, yani the family is there, and the you know, everyone is supporting, and you know, it's just fun when you go to spend at the bride's home at night, the day before the wedding, and the wamamas are singing welcome, and you know, oh Jesus, it was fun. It's fun. The family gathering as well is another fantastic point about all to do with occasions. You know, the family where you have to gather, like the whole family, the extended family had to come to show's place, and you meet your cousin wakina nani, and then sijui wa nani, and then watoto wa nani, huyu ni cousin yako, huyu ni auntie yako, huyu ni shosho, huyu ni guka, huyu ni baba mdogo. Oh, that was another interesting point where I just miss the family system and the occasion system. I don't think I have seen this anywhere I have been so far. I have not seen this kind. But this is something that really makes us outstanding. And maybe from my own experience, I would say top, really. So, next point, church. The church thing in Kenya. Oh my god. This is just crazy. Really crazy. Well, okay. So for the normal Kenyan, like the normal Kenyans, church is a must. Church is known, is for every family, and for whatsoever, mom, dad, you have to go to church on Sunday. So Sunday is a day where the whole family, the family members, and I don't know, whoever, attends a church service, a mass, a church service, I don't know, from the Anglican church, Pentecostal churches and stuff. And this is just amazing. You know, like Sunday kila mtu ameng'ara, kila mtu amevaa smart, nywele, nguo, viatu. mmechukua na wewe, sistako, bradhako, mamako, babako, wote mumeenda mass. And then there's all the mass, attending the mass, the Eucharist, the Sunday school. And Sunday school comes also in this point, like the kids go to a section where they get the childhood messages about religion and stuff. And then there are these activities in the church, the youth meetings. Oh my god, when I talk about youth meetings, there was some things that used to happen in between. Okay, whatever. But I mean, church is just outstanding in Kenya. Like, I have never seen in this world where the church system is similar to Kenya. I mean, the music itself, the gospel music itself, just everything about church is unique. It's really unique. Really unique. And you enjoy. Like, Sunday was a day where you just enjoy. You know, you wake up early in the morning, you go to church, you spend the whole day at church, or part of the day in the church. You take this activity and take the other activities. You know, you just come home blessed. You feel blessed, you're refreshed, and you are all ready for the week to start. And you know, it was fun. It was really fun. I mean, church is amazing. Anyway, now to the next point. I think